Hello and welcome back to the Hornby Magazine workshop, where in this video we're featuring Hornby's brand new model of the Thompson A2 3462. So what is an A23? Well, these were the follow-ups to the Thompson A2 462s, which were rebuilds of Gresley's P2 282s. The A23s, they were brand new locomotives from the ground up. Originally there were going to be 30 of these, but in the end only 15 were completed. They were all built at Doncaster Works in 1946. If you want to learn more about the A23 class's history, you can check out our full reality check feature in issue 166, that's our April 2021 issue, or check it out online at keymodelworld.com. On the layout today, we've got 60512 steady aim, and it will soon be joined by 3 further versions of the A23. They were model 60523 Suncastle in BR Line Green with Lake Crests, 500 Edward Thompson in LNER lined apple green, 514 Chemossier in LNER lined apple green, plus later in the year there's going to be a 5th A23 as well, and that model 511 Airborne in the same LNER lined apple green livery. Highlights of this new 00 gauge model from Hornby include a 5-pole motor, an 8-pin decoder socket and space for a 28mm round speaker in the tender, plus a whole host of separately fitted parts on the model itself. There's also sprung turned metal buffers, turned metal wheels and metal valve gear too. You can read our full detailed review of this locomotive in the latest issue of Hornby Magazine. Right now though, we're going to put 60512 to the test here on the Hornby Magazine test track at the head of this 8-coach rake of Mark I coaches. We hope you've enjoyed this latest video from the Hornby Magazine workshop, and don't forget you can read our full review of the Hornby A23 in the latest issue of Hornby Magazine. Thank you very much for watching, we'll see you next time. Bye for now.
I'm Alex Yates and this is the Model Centre. We sell absolutely everything you can imagine in the popular scales. We've got our customisation services, so we've got weathering, got renaming and renumbering, and then all the sort of add-ons, so like real coal, we can fit the parts pack for you, nameplates, cab crew, everything like that. You can order online or on the phone, come and collect it from us, or you can come to the door and we'll just serve you from there. And we're doing free postage on the website as well to sort of compensate for the fact that the shop's not open. You can visit us on our website, themodelcentre.com. Our phone number is 01947 899 125.